Hi, in this video we discuss the packages in Python. Now what is the package? The package is the collection of Python modules. Now what is the difference between Python module and Python package? The Python module is also called as a Python program. The Python program contains the different functions. Here the arithmetic.py is the one Python module. In that module, these are the some functions in the Python module or Python program. What is a Python package means? The package contains the different Python modules. In the every module contains the different functions based on your requirement. The Python modules means Python files extended with the .py. Now how to create a packages in Python? For example, we create a one banking system. In the banking system contains the three packages, that is deposit, withdraw and bank loans. The deposit, withdraw, loans are the packages. The packages contains the modules means .py files. In that py files contains the functions based on your need. For example, packages contains the Python files, that is .py, also called as a modules. In that modules you can create a functions based on your requirements. Now how to create a packages? Can create a packages. The first you can create the one .py file, that is the underscore init underscore .py. This is the initialization of your package. Now in the first example, that is the deposit. In the deposit package contains for example, first create the one file, that is underscore init underscore .py file. After you can create any modules. For example, in deposit package I create the one module, that is deposit amount.py. This is the one module in the deposit package. In the deposit module contains the functions. That means your Python files contains the functions. I create a one function, that is the deposit. For example, dep amount. Here this is the one function. Here this is the one module. In the previous video we are creating the Python file. In that we create a different functions. This is the one package. The package contains the different modules. The modules contains the different functions. You can create a many modules and many functions based on your need. Now the next withdraw. This is the withdraw package. First create the underscore init underscore dot py. Here I create the withdraw amount dot py is the one Python file or Python module. Here I create the withdraw amount is the one function in the Python file. That is the withdraw amount is the one Python file. For example, for convenient, here this is the one function in the withdraw amount dot py file. Now the third package is loans. In the loans package contains the first create the one file, that is the underscore init underscore dot py, and thus you can here I use the three modules. Here the first module is home loan dot py. This is the one module, and other one is personal loan dot py is the other module, and finally vehicle loan dot py is the other module. Here in the loans package contains the three modules. Here every module contains the different functions. Here based on my requirement I use the one function in the home loan dot py, that is hm loan. This is the one function. In the personal loan I create a one function, that is the per underscore loan. This is the one function. In the vehicle loan I create a one function, that means vehicle underscore loan. Here in the home loan dot py module contains the hm underscore loan function. The personal underscore loan dot py contains the per underscore loan. The vehicle underscore loan dot py module contains the ve underscore loan. Now the underscore init dot py is created outside of the your functions and along with the your dot py files within the your package. And finally store all packages in one folder. This is optional. For convenience you can use the banking underscore system is the folder. Now how to create the three packages? Now I create the package in the our volume, that is the h. Here I create a one folder, that is the a project. Here in that project contains the, for example, I rename project. In that project I create the banking system. Here this is the banking system. Now here I create 3 packages, that is the 3 folders. Deposit. The another way for creating a folder in your directory, here enter the cmd and click on the enter. Here it opens the your command prompt where your folder are created. Here you can use the mkdir. I create the one folder withdraw, and I create another folder loans. Here these are the ways to create your packages, that means folders. Now in the deposit folder, first create here I takes the text document. Here create the first file is underscore init underscore .py and hit enter and click on the yes. Here this is the underscore init underscore .py file is created with the 0 KB. That means in that file no data is there. Now I create the another file, that is deposit underscore amount.py. deposit amount.py. This is the one module. Now the deposit is completed. Now withdraw. Here you can also create underscore init underscore .py and the other Python file is withdraw amount.py. This is the module. In that withdraw amount.py modules contains the with underscore amount function. We will write the logic in later. And the loans here creates the first underscore init underscore .py file and after create a one module home underscore loan.py and the other module is personal underscore loan. The extension is .py and other module is vehicle underscore loan.py. Here these are the setup of a creating your files. Now write the logic. For example, open the deposit amount. Here edit with the ideally 3.9 64-bit. Other way to open your .py file, go to the IDLE. Here go to the file menu and open or you can also use the control plus O. Here where your Python file in, for example, our Python file is in H. In H contains the project, here you can use the all files, check project, oh sorry, banking system. Okay, open the file, open, here go to the H, that means H drive, here banking system. Now open the banking system, here the deposit, here the deposit underscore amount dot py is the module. Now click on open. Now here you write a logic. Now this is to write the deposit amount to your account. How? The deposit amount dot py contains the dep underscore amount function is used for deposit your amount to the your account. I create a one function here, dep underscore amount. Here I pass the two parameters, amount, total amount, or you can convenient you can use the names. Here it is the deposit amount, this is the total amount. After entering the your deposit amount, your add the your deposit amount to total amount and update the total amount. Here the total amount, that means your total bank account balance equal to, here this is the argument, your deposit amount plus your total amount. Here this is the deposit amount plus total amount will be stored into the your updated value, that is the total amount contains the deposit amount plus total amount. Now deposit is done. Now print the total amount after depositing. For example, I print the some format, print total account balance is total amount. Now this is the deposit amount to your bank account. Now control S for saving, you can, or you can go to the file, click on the save. Now the deposit package is done. Now go to the withdraw. Same as go to the file, open the other file. Here the banking system contains the withdraw and open the withdraw. Here create a other function, def with underscore amount. Here I pass the two parameters, with underscore, for example withdraw amount, total amount. Here you can update the total amount after withdraw amount, total amount minus withdraw amount. That means that this is the total amount contains the your total bank account balance, and withdraw amount you can enter in the your main Python program and update the after withdraw the total account balance. Now print total account balance is total amount. Here this is the withdraw amount logic. Now click on Ctrl S. Now come to the loans package. Here 3 Python modules: home loan, personal loan and vehicle loan. Now open with the loans package. First is the home loan. Here write a function hm underscore loan. Here I pass a amount and calculate the total loan sanctioned amount. That means total amount equal to amount into I add some tax, for example, plus your original amount. That means along with the amount add some tax and data will be moved into the total amount, and finally print the your home loan amount. Home loan amount. I use the here placeholder. You can also use anywhere in the based on your output format. Here dot format of total underscore amount. That means the total amount value is stored into the this placeholder. Now this is the home loan. You can save your Python module and open the personal loan. Here in the personal loan, the method or function is per underscore loan. Here I calculate the some tax with along with the your original amount. Finally print the your loan amount and save your file and open the vehicle loan.py. Here the function is ve underscore loan. Here I add some tax, for example 0.11, and print the total amount, and you can save your file. Now close the all your files. Now the 3 packages are creation done, and write the logic into the your Python modules, that is create a your functions in the Python file. Now how to use your already created packages. The packages and modules are used for reusability. That means already created in the somewhere, then you can reuse the anywhere you want. Here for example open the IDLE. I create a new file, and file is saved in the where your packages are created, that means H banking system. Here under the your packages you create a your main Python file, that is the bank.py. Click on save. Now here you can use the your already created packages. Now from package name deposit, I explain the syntax. From package name import module name. In the previous video we use the module with function, that means from module name import function name. Here we use the from package name import the module name. In that modules some functions you can use the module name dot function name. You can use the packages. You can use the modules from module name. They can directly import the your function name because your module name is called as a your Python file. Now here from the package name is deposit. Here you can import your module name. Here the deposit module name is deposit underscore amount dot py. Here deposit amount is your module. Now other package is withdraw. Withdraw import your module is withdraw amount. Then your other package is loans import home underscore loan comma, because in that loans package contains the three modules. The modules are separated by comma. Here personal underscore loan and vehicle underscore loan. These are the Python files, that is the Python modules. The deposit, withdraw, the loans are the Python packages. Here you can run the code, check if there is any errors for importing. Here the deposit amount from cannot import the name. Now check. Here the deposit is the package. In that package, sorry, the spelling mistake, you can copy that and here you can use it. For example, this is the, and click on the F5. Here there is no error. Instead of spelling correction, the deposit spelling is DE. Here you can also modify the same name in here. Here DE. Now you can run again. Here there is no error. Now import is done. After importing, you can perform any operations. These are the user defined packages. Now how to use? For example, print I enter the some options. For example, 1 for the deposit and 2 for the withdraw and 3 for the loans and 4 is the exist. These are the options. You can also run here. You can choose the options like this. Here OPT is the one variable int of input, enter any one option in the above list. Here enter any one of the option, deposit or withdraw or loans or exist. Now check if your option is equal to 1. You can choose the deposit. Now I create my own function, that is the bank deposit. Here this is the my function. In that function I enter the some amount for deposit into the my account, that is int input, enter amount for deposit. Now after entering the amount, you can check if amount is greater than or equal to 100, it is possible for deposit into the account. Now here how to deposit. You have a deposit package contains the deposit amount is the one module. In that module the function is DEP amount. Now here you use the DEP amount is the function. The DEP amount function in the the DEP amount function in the deposit amount module, the module name dot your function name here. That means in that module call the DEP amount function. Here before going to that, total equal to int of input, enter total bank balance. Here this is the total your bank account balance. Here the deposit contains the two parameters. First one is the your deposit amount. Here your deposit amount is the amount variable, and your total is the total your account balance data. That means your amount with the total are passed to the DEP amount function. The deposit amount argument is replaced by amount, and the total amount replaced by total. That means your deposit amount and total amount is added and update the value into the total amount of your bank account and display the total amount of your balance. Now else if your condition is false, that means you are enter a, for example, 50 rupees for depositing, it is not possible, then print some statements. Please deposit minimum 100 rupees. That is the one statement. Now the bank deposit function is creation done. Now you can call it, that is the bank deposit without calling, your function is not executed. Now if option is equal to 1, you can choose the bank deposit. If option equal to 2, now choose the withdraw, that is bank underscore withdraw. Here enter amount for withdraw some amount into your account. For example, I enter some amount, enter a amount for withdraw. Now here you can check if amount is greater than or equal to 100, that means the minimum withdraw amount is 100 rupees. Now how to withdraw amount? In the withdraw module, contains the method is with underscore amount. Now with underscore amount, with underscore amount, this is the your function. Here H, now open the file, that is the withdraw, edit in. Ideally here the withdraw amount passes the two parameters, that is first one is the your withdraw amount and your total amount. Finally the total balance is updated and the total amount is printed in the with underscore amount function in your withdraw underscore amount dot py file. Now if the condition is true, false, print some statements. Minimum withdraw amount is 100 rupees. Now if your option equal to 3, now in that loans you have a 3 types of loans. Now print, for example, the first type of loan is home loan. The second one is personal loan and the third one is vehicle loan. Now check if, that means you can enter the which type of loan you want. For example, loan option equal to enter any option, that is enter loan option. Here after entering the your loan option, check if your loan option is equal to 1, then print some data. For example, thank you for choosing home loan. Now how to call the home loan? You can directly, that means you can enter the amount of home loan, input of enter home loan amount. Here the home loan contains the home loan module contains the function. For example, open the loans. Home loan contains the here HM underscore loan. Here HM underscore loan. Now the parameter is amount. Here your loan amount is passed as a argument into the home loan module in the HM underscore loan function, and finally calculate the amount along with the tax and print the total amount of your home loan if your option is equal to 2. If your loan option equal to 2. Now print thank you for choosing. The 2 means personal loan. Now here you can enter the your personal loan amount. Here int of input is taking a input in dynamic way. Here enter personal loan amount. Now here you can call personal loan module. In the personal loan module contains the package and the PR underscore loan is the function in your personal loan module. Here directly pass the amount and finally calculate the your loan amount along with the tax. If your option is equal to 3. Here thank you for choosing the vehicle loan. Now enter the vehicle loan. Now the vehicle loan module contains the one function. Check, go to the file, open your vehicle loan.py file, that is the VE underscore loan. This is the one function. Here the VE underscore loan is the function. Now if your loan option is greater than 3, now print a one statement for better understanding. Please choose above options only. Now this is the only option 3 is the loan types. Now if you want to exit from the your ideally or your code, now check if your option is equal to 4. Here you can use the while true and you can use the break. Why I am using the while? Here whenever the option is entered like 4, it break out of the your execution, that is the your loop. That means while true, if condition is true, that is the your option is equal to 4. Here it breaks the your program. Then now execute the your main bank.py file. Click on the F5. Oh sorry, missing colon here. Now click on F5. Here These are the options. Enter any one option in the above list. Above list. Here click on F5. Here enter any one option in the above list. For example, I choose the 1. Here enter, sorry for the spelling mistakes, total bank balance. Now again click on the F5. Here I choose the deposit. Enter the total bank balance. For example, my bank contains the 10,000. Here enter amount for deposit. I enter a 200 for deposit. Here after depositing, your total account balance is 10,200. This is the your deposit program. Now choose the withdraw. Click on F5. Now choose the withdraw, that is option 2. Now enter total bank balance. After my bank balance is 10,200, for example. Oh sorry, here your function is not called. Without function calling, your code is not executed. With this is a function calling, this is a function definition, this is a function calling, then in between data is executed within the function. Now again click on F5, choose the withdraw. To enter the bank balance is 10,200. Here I withdraw the 300. Here the 10,200 minus 300, the total is 9,900 is the updated total account balance. Now choose option number 3, that is the loans. Here 3, enter the total bank balance. For example, 9900 is the current account balance. Now after choosing the 3, again choose the one option if you want to loan type. For example, home loan, click on 1. Here enter the loan amount. For example, loan sanctioned 4,000 and hit enter. Here your amount is not defined. Where here amount. Now go to the, you can easily identified here the loan, the home loan .py file contains the error. In that banking system, the loans package home underscore loan.py contains the error. Now go to the file, open file, loans contains the home loan, open. Here the amount spelling is wrong here, and you can save your file, close the your file and rerun your main code and choose the loan is the 3 option. Now your bank balance is 9,900 and I choose the home loan. Here thank you for choosing the home loan and enter the your home loan. For example, 4,000 is the your sanctioned home loan and hit enter. The finally your home loan is 7600 along with the tax. Now you can again choose the loan. The total balance is your account balance is, for example, and choose the your loan type. Choose personal loan. Here same. Here amount, oh sorry, again spelling mistake. Open loans, personal loan, open. Here amount and control yes. Now again open, check with the other file also. vehicle loan. Here control S. Now again rerun. Here choose the option 3. Enter the total bank balance is 9,900. Here I choose the personal loan. Our loan amount is 4,000. The total home loan is 6,000. I again rerun the code. Choose the option 3, that is the loans. For example, your bank contains the 9,000. Your loan option is 3, that is the vehicle loan. Here the vehicle loan sanction amount is 5,000. Here the home loan amount along with the tax is 5,500. Now finally option 4. Here click on 4. Here enter the total bank balance, for example 9,000, and here it is end with the your prompt. These are the packages creation in Python. You can create your own packages based on your project requirement. Thank you for taking the time. Good luck.